14-Day Rapid Soup Diet Review. Yes, this video is a complete review of the 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet. Watch this video from start to finish to understand the full review of the 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet, what is it? The hardest part of any change in routine is getting started. Most people see the way to improve their health as a long-term commitment, which can be quite intimidating when there is no end in sight. Shorter programs may initiate a lasting effect, but many of these programs do not work with individuals above a certain age. The 14-Day Fast Soup Diet aims to offer a solution that individuals over 50 years old can look for. The 14-Day Fast Soup Diet claims to help anyone in this age group improve fat along the abdomen by increasing the metabolic rate in a way that also controls hunger. It solves the user's hunger cravings, inherently leading to less calorie consumption every day. Eventually, these changes create a habit that will prevent the individual from regaining the weight he has lost. Although this program aims to help the user for only 2 weeks, the habits created will put him on a healthy path later. Unlike other fast-paced programs, this regime does not involve hunger, which means that users will not constantly feel hungry or be forced to eat less than they really need. The recipes feature essential nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and collagen, which the body needs to form the rest of the body. The creators are so confident about how this program works that they simply ask for 48 hours to prove their point. In 48 hours, the user must weigh in to see the drastic change. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet, does it work? The 14-Day Fast Soup Diet is simple and works. Consume the soups the program claims. The recipes included in this brief routine offer a variety of herbs and spices, helping the body burn fat. The combination of these recipes and the way the soup reduces appetite work together to detoxify the rest of the body. The program does not prioritize fewer calories, but creates a healthy body without fatigue or extra weight. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet really works? The 14-Day Fast Soup Diet is designed so that anyone gets the onset of weight loss they need. The program is easy to follow, allowing anyone to purify the toxins from their body without the need to take supplements. There are smoothies available as meal replacements, but consumers receive recipes that work easily with the immune system and ketone diets. For just 2 weeks, users can make a difference in their daily habits. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet, where to buy? 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet is sold only on the official website of the program. The 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet program is not sold on third-party websites for your safety, so if you find any other website, don't buy. 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet guaranteed? 14-Day Rapid Soup Diet has 60-day warranty with 100% refund. So you have enough time to make it work.